Hi, I'm really glad you clicked that button and found your way to this page so you can check out our digital real estate rank and rent master course. Before you go through all the information below, I just want to give you a real quick take of how this model works. So most business owners, they need more business. They're always looking for more business and more leads, but they don't know where to find them or how to go about it, or think it might be too much money, and in some cases it is. But what if I could give that business owner, let's say it's a fence company and they install fences. What if I could give them 30, 40, 50 people a month who want estimates on a new fence? And let's say they have a big enough crew where they can do 10 installs a month out of those 30 or 40, 50 estimate requests. And let's say that their average net profit per job is $5,000, which is pretty average. I work with a lot of fence companies, and their average net profit is between $4,500 and $6,000 for a fence install. So we'll use $5,000 here to make the math easy. So if they're doing 10 jobs a month at $5,000, that's $50,000 in net profit. So do you think they'd be more than happy to pay me $2,000, $2,500, or $3,000 every month to get that $50,000 in net profit every month? Of course they would, all day long, and that's how this model works. So in this course, which is really just a step-by-step blueprint of what I do, I've been doing this rank and rent model for more than 3.5 years. I rent my sites from anywhere from $500 a month to thousands of dollars a month each. So you're going to learn how to build a website the right way, or let our AI tool build it for you. It takes about 10 minutes. And then how to use SEO tools we're going to teach you in this course to get it ranked in the top spots of Google. Then we're going to teach you our secret sauce. It's how to actually price it so you can get it rented and never have any out of pocket startup costs. You don't have to pay a dime and start making money on this. We're going to show you how to do that. And then it's like planting a seed. Once you get that thing rented, it just starts to grow in value every month and you make more and more as time goes on. And then we'll teach you how to scale that business, right? How to get it rented and then how to scale it. Once you have one rented, we're going to teach you how to wash, rinse, and repeat and start to grow your digital empire. I don't care what your age is, your work experience, or your work history. You can do this. Just follow this step by step. So check out the information below. You can book a Zoom call with me. I'll answer any questions you have. But that's really the simple way to explain this. And tell me if that doesn't make sense. 3,000 for $50,000 in net profit every month, right? That's what it is. And it makes sense. The business owners love it. We become long-term partners in their growth. We create partnerships with them that last a long time. So we get paid residual passive income for life for assets that we own and can re-rent to someone else should they ever retire. So go through the videos, read the information. If you want, book a Zoom call with me. I'll be more than happy to walk you through it and answer any questions you have. Thanks.